Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in the Clermont area. We're going to show you a 55 and up community, and this home behind me, which is kind of hard to see because we got lots of landscaping and stuff, but I will show you some drone footage of it. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a den. It's 2,929 square feet, so it's a really large home, and also has a lot of upgrades in it. So the base price on this is $383,995 at time of shooting. Now, the upgrades in here will significantly increase that price, so do keep that in mind. They have lots of upgrades in the flooring and also in the kitchen from what I see, but it's an absolutely beautiful home. If you're looking for something with a 55 and up adult community with a nice amenity center stuff, this is definitely a home to check out. So let me go ahead and show you the floor plan, show you some drone footage of this, and then take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful home.
So let's take a look at this floor plan of this very spacious single-story home. So as we come into the front entrance, it's a very wide front entrance, and to the right would be the bedroom number 3 and also a full bathroom. And when we go down further, we can go left to bedroom number 2. It also has the laundry room, goes into the garage through there. And then on the other side is the study, which has some different options for pocket doors or French doors, or you can just leave it open. And then we have the dining area, kitchen area, gathering room, and then of course the owner's suite is in the back. It's a very large owner's suite with the owner's bath. Now there are a few different options you can do, and one of them is you can change the bedroom a little bit. It changes the laundry room and gives you a little extra space in the garage. It's a tandem garage, so you can fit another small car in there, or you can use it for storage. Another option that you have with this is that you can extend the kitchen area out and make it even with the gathering room, which opens up a space for casual dining. And there's a ton of different options for the outdoor living space. Here's the one I like the best, where you have an extended lanai and a covered outdoor living area with a gas fireplace. So it's really great for Florida living.
So let's go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful home. Again, 55 and up community. Base price is $383,995. At the time of shooting today is in the end of August 2020. So as we come in, we can see we have this gated area here and a wall. And as you can see, it's like a little courtyard. So we have space here and then also some space out here. You can put out some outdoor furniture here and have a nice little courtyard area. And then we come over here to the beautiful double door entry, and wait till we open this and see what you see. It's amazing. Very wide here entryway, and you can see all the way through to the house, to the back of the home, and very, very spacious. This has a very spacious feel on this home. And as you can see, the upgrades they do have a lot of upgrades of flooring. It's a really beautiful flooring. And they do have a lot of upgrades throughout. So as we come this way here, we have bathroom number 2 right here. And then we have bedroom number 2 right here. Very spacious bedroom, plenty of space. And we have the closets over there. And then we go this direction here. And we go down this hallway. And what we'll see bedroom number 3. So that's the 3rd bedroom. Now there is an option to do 4 bedrooms on this specific floor plan. And then we go over here and we see we have bathroom number 3 here. And then we have the closet right there behind the door. And then right next door is the laundry room. Has lots of cabinets. These cabinets will be upgrades. Typically they come with just the basic wire shelving, but they put a sink in here, lots of cabinets. We have the door here that goes out to a 2-car garage with plenty of space on either side. How you can tell by the garages is if you look where the garage ends, some of the walls end like right there. This has got that much space on either side, so plenty of room for 2 cars for your car doors to open with no problem at all. And then come back through here. I'll show you the den area. So the den is right there. Now, we were just there to bedroom, that was bedroom number 2. This is the den. Now, if you wanted to, you could have a 4th bedroom. So they have a bedroom here, another bedroom here, and then a den right here. So a little bit smaller of a den, but you get that 4th bedroom if you so desire. But of course, as a 55 and up community, 3 bedrooms are pretty popular. And this is a very spacious feel right here. So we have the dining area over here. And just look how much space is here to walk through. We have family room area. And then we have this amazing and beautiful kitchen over here. So as we can see, we have really upgraded cabinets. We have, this is a gas community, so we have the gas range there. Also, they've put the pot filler, which would be an upgrade there as well. This is a pretty nice little feature to have in a home. And then we have the pantry over here. So we have a space here. Of course, we have all the covered space as well throughout the kitchen. And then they have the refrigerator. And then we go this direction here to a farmhouse sink, but yet there's another sink right here as well on the center console. But then you have the nice farmhouse sink over here, right next to a dishwasher. And then we have the double oven here. So we have both top and bottom oven area here. And then we go over to this other section here, and we have some extra cabinets, even a wine fridge. And then right next door is going to be your little cafe area, breakfast nook area here. So again, very spacious, as you can see. This whole area, just nice and open and welcoming area to live in. So then we have obviously the sliding glass doors. We have a set of them over here, and then also a set of them over here. And then outside, they do have an optional cooking area outside, a little barbecue area outside, as you can see. It's got a nice little area there for a barbecue. It has a little fire pit over there, or fireplace. And then also just really nice backyard. This one has nice landscaping, mature landscaping. And then the only thing that is left to look at is the primary bedroom, which would be this direction here. So let's go ahead and go and look at the primary bedroom. So very, very spacious. This one has the tray ceilings and crown molding. It's really nice. It's got nice flooring as well on here. Again, this has lots of upgrades. The base price of $383,995 is the base price. Now you have to get a lot after that, and also the upgrades. So the houses you see here would be significantly higher. My guess is that we're probably over the 500,000 mark with this specific house of all these upgrades. And then we go over here, and this is the primary bathroom. As you can see, we have a really nice shower. It has the regular shower head there. It has the portable one there, and then it also has the rain shower head coming from the ceiling. And then we have a towel closet here. And then we have our dual sinks, a little makeup area there with a little bench. We have the water closet right there. And then the main closet is back in this area here. Also with nice built-ins, all upgraded here. So an absolutely beautiful home. So that's this home. It's an absolutely beautiful and spacious home. Be a great home to relax and enjoy the active adult lifestyle that they offer here in the Florida area. Now, if you're interested in this home or interested in a little bit more information about the community, make sure you check out the videos here. And then also, if you're interested in other 55 and up communities, I'll have more videos here for you. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these videos. Take care. Bye-bye.